Adom 106.3. Who fear the end? The next cafe no the you be willing say Bruno. You don't wait for life. You gotta go beat life. Mama fashion and society. Next cafe 3 in 1. When the yantum grafan shadam fabuanto so baby ejina and ejina. Unyana no pebia. You need to start strong and finish strong. If you're a job, you start strong and finish strong. You don't start with Next cafe. Dominion herbal powder and so a special immune booster. Boost your immune system no what mean ya holding ye. Say baby beto watchwa. Ain't me why. Diabetes for stroke one hunam tayo ya pa spinal cord ho how bia. High blood pressure. Akuma ho bibia o ye bibi kitu e bi na wa bre. O kidney ho nsem nyina wonya no bia beboa. Omodian friend Angel Dominion Herbal Center Limited they won call 0543 158195. Eti mi pa chopa bomodiana share de ama say yin diso no diso na me hwa Adom TV sese ya na baby aposifo no bi ginger no omkuta kin kama eye pa kin na se swa yen pekin de mu du kakra enkuta won minim sa wo de waso nyeden nti won a waso be de ne de yen hwe won na simple as ABC we wadun so be ye gugwa yen gwaw next time what to have betwa nyansa yen rough yen gwaw heavy if you say baby aye kone baby awi ase kono what to have sebi eburu sebi nyado wonya aboa wo nipa enu nti no asese wudin hihye so hihye no wundi so maye me o wundi so ma wo wudi so ama yen nyina said e be ya baby ene nam no be di ka kire o so be kaya ada no ukuada no se ayehu enti no mesrel hihye bia ye de ama yen se yendi so no wadi so aiwa unho hene na oye yi no wo za ma treat wo ho ayam yes posifo na ngua o hene no ehye papa say ye ngua sa o hene no wonim se president akase ye nya yie afa na wusie wo de hye so oye de hye brantie de hye brantie na wa bodom pem na yie na wo da paka de gigi ye yi na si fom ese ke gua de pa. Oh, enye enema bi o ho asay ya ye ho se asay emfam ho obi antu ye bibia obi betima ye bibi enti no se police ni gina wa wo ye trotro na ebie ni kwan se wo ba police ni gina wa nya abotre na gina na tie de all kano wo ye se wo ne prepare a obefre reinforcement wo be gwawo wo ye taxi driver wedru baby police ni gina ho na so gina wa gina boko tie de all kano wo ye pepre a obegwaw won so a wa piesi abonten pachotie eni kwan se wo pie minima de kundrenti abema wa pie se wo pie na wo hye police ni na soja ni no gina no busa wasema to bo asema no nya wo kwan na wo mu ade Ya sansere. Nya unkwa na wumu ade o. Obi mu ade chen. Man nya wadwen se unkwa na wumu ade. Anata unkwa na oye gangalia. Ye be gwawo, me catch your plane. Na me se post for ne soldier for no. Mo me gwada no nya hye. Aya mu ntwa bi mbeto abonte na nkrofo hu se obi ye rof ye gwa no. Se de be ya de otifie no be hu se so tena fi.
Jim FM.
Because be yare na ekọ no. Asa agro. Asa agro. Eya hadwen. Se ye na ye boy ho ban. Enti se stay home. Boko. Enika. Wakura wa ye adwuma wa bre. Stay home. Okay? Pachopa. Eni die kwan so tena fie. Wakura wa bre unrest ye. Wa apply leave kura wa adwuma mi amfa ma. Say wa when you leave na what you do free. Didida. We ya be ma sori na wa jump be 100 and 200 bi we exercise. We didida nko ba bia enti shenen so sa na fe fama enti graphic dey all kind of halting spread of COVID-19 na Nigeria for atamaso Buhari mu no I say COVID 19 COVID what 9 alata for say he COVID 19 on president that's why she bruta enti COVID-19 no eno enti ye na ye tena fie IGP mfoni we ye me fe pa ye James Opombo no foni na fe pa eno na da graphic eni mu ye minim so nya graphic ni bia be but ye twa ayi ba wanya twitwa we are na ba twitwa ni na egu no wo mo pese wo mu front pages no wo mo hwe in terms of fama yen Ghanaian Times so de ni mu stay at home. President orders 14-day partial lockdown starts today. And Tibomodi and Afishan and so on so that and I feel the inside Kuwakrata food crisis imminent. Expert warn in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. And you know, inside it says that you know here, Ediano Hobeshada IABB or Hobedin Kakra because of COVID-19. No, Bibia Hobedin will be as they say, baby, why ding Italy Crancofonia Hospital in Panda so. America yet say be say the me mini Trump afide na wabafi kakra timsa kan na bibia binu no wona no hwe say wabafi kakra. The Ghanaian publisher police demand cooperation as Accra Kumasi Kaswa lockdown begins. Supposed to force say to omasi o ti ase nti menshada nyoto na me hoden dabi menyen sa to omasi cooperate with them and tisa Umbigwao. New crusading guide, troops out to provide security, not to cause mayhem during lockdown. Ghana forces say a soldier for no more bonteno, wombe bobine, wombe protect life and property, life and no mekaho, and in far BBMP, non for BB and affect you be. Until we peer nature say, person bebo no more protect life, and they will life you come up. Business and Financial Times Chronomics. Akufo-Addo pushes 1 billion lifeline into economy. Says here, President Nenia Brady, he's done so well. We pay 1 billion Ghana CDC. ABC News, fighting COVID-19, 10.3 million insurance package for frontline health workers. Beautiful one there. Eti 1 year, Jumaya 4 year, Jumaya Pum, Ding Aswe, Yahudu Ninano, Abanitcha, and cry say 100 billion. Yes, Canada na meka ye me de say yemfa insurance emfa wonom and a Daily Statesman. We won't intimidate anyone. Police assures and urges public to cooperate for COVID-19 lockdown success. The police for say ye me hu now na mum no eno didin hihye no so when the so dey no your wasemo the informal lockdown. Akufo-Addo's advisors mess him up again as exemption restrictions list excludes media. Finally, with the publisher newspaper, panic buyers storm Accra Kumasi. Marketers lockdown begins today. But I grow na the way an uncrofosi ton here, mano. The nebuono. na eye bibi ye man pani kasa ye no na nam so ma ye nyina na ye di nhihye no so de nti a me ba adwuma ne se president echichim no o ka se ye nsentwofo no ye beboa no ya bode wuro na fe yetimi aye nkyekere ahodo se bibi ba na president kasa se de be ya wo betinti e na ma ye nyina ye ba ye nti sanka ba ma nye se ye bro mra no so ye mbro so ye ka se ye nak ye dai but se de be ya nsama be ko eso ebia na fufuru bia ba enchekere fufuru bia ba asem fufuru bia be si ekire a na yetimi aboa mane enu nti na ma ye ba ye radio station bia ni Ghana ha enipa ye adwuma ho do so chen yen ba na oba ha ya teso se hum kakra bi na ye wo fie ha ne anopay won we do so ha pa ye security for na omani abre ni mu ho santim pacho bomodi ana hye nso bada yeden ya ye boye ho ban no so bompa ye wo fie no bompa ye metese ye musician be say China for nye empire nye pastors no mo de kwa kase o se nye China for nye asofo na o de omo yeden ma fight COVID-19 wo mu krom oni mo nkobu sa asofo na e bompa wo Shanghai wo na good dem a na o mo bompa ye abencha wade e wo mu say yare ye boye ho ban ba ye ginyame nsudi cause Bible say na won a wode wo ho to no so no ade nyina di boa won no wie wonye me pesa wote asese nyame wo ho memfa ndi agro wo ho cause you said metal ye dade no aboa no otimi gina so etena so che more than 48 hours and you should be kura che 72 hours 3 days kura no otimi tena dade so che enti hwe o sa wo yere sha asomade say dade bra sa wo sha jeans zip no dade bottom no dade and the shoe na aba no kura no obehwe shoe no so na ade bi da so dade ye atra wo dididie dade ebi no kura dade mpa so dade bebre ene twa ye ho ahia ye boy ye ho ban de but ye mompa ye nka ho efiri se nyame wo ho ye ntie ye mampani nana adodankwa akufu ado primai ne kasa odi tu Ghana man na nim nam so benne lockdown we abai ye ntie do.
Fellow Ghanaians, good evening. I've come to your homes once again, as promised, on the matter which continues to grip not only the attention of the nation, but also of the entire world, the coronavirus pandemic. At the time of my last broadcast, some 6 days ago, Ghana had recorded 21 confirmed cases of infections, with virtually all the cases being imported. I took the step to close all our borders, and I ordered a mandatory quarantine and testing of all the 1,030 persons who arrived at the airport at the time of the announcement till the day the borders were closed. Indeed, 78 of the persons put under quarantine have since tested positive for the virus. It is these additional confirmations that have increased dramatically our total number of cases to 137. Indeed, 97% of all confirmed cases are travelers who brought the disease from outside our shores. Of the remaining 59 confirmed cases, 53 are receiving treatment and are doing well, and they will be discharged should their second test results prove negative. 14 of them are being managed at home in self-isolation. 4 persons who were tested positive for the virus but were aged and had other serious underlying medical conditions have lost their lives. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Thankfully, 2 persons have made full recoveries. Fellow Ghanaians, the oath of office I swore on 7th January 2017 demands that I dedicate myself to the service and well-being of you, the Ghanaian people. It is my job to protect you, and I'm determined to do just that. As I've said before, All the government is doing is intended to achieve 5 key objectives: limit and stop the importation of the virus, contain its spread, provide adequate care for the sick, limit the impact of the virus on social and economic life, and inspire the expansion of our domestic capability and deepen our self-reliance. Thus far, we have succeeded in halting any more importations of the virus into our country. And I thank the overwhelming majority of you for adhering to the good hygiene and social distancing protocols announced in my first broadcast to you. However, prevailing circumstances mean the stricter measures have to be put in place to contain and halt the spread of the virus within our country, especially in Accra, Tema, Kaswa, and Kumasi, which have been identified by the Ghana Health Service as the hotspots of the infections. In doing this, we cannot afford to copy blindly and do all the things some other well-developed countries are doing. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to this pandemic. We have a unique situation in our country, and we must take it into account in dealing with the disease, whilst meeting all the 6 key WHO guidelines on the most effective ways of combating the pandemic. Even though it may be said that the number of our infections is still relatively low, if we act now, purposefully, we have a chance of preventing an escalation of our numbers. So, effective 1 a.m. on Monday, 30th March, some 48 hours from now, I have imposed, pursuant to the powers granted the President of the Republic under the Imposition of Restrictions Act, 2020 Act 1012, restrictions on movement of persons in the Greater Accra metropolitan area, GAMA, which includes Awutu Senya East Municipality, and the Greater Kumasi metropolitan area and contiguous districts for a period of 2 weeks, subject to review. It'll give us the opportunity to try to halt the spread of the virus and scale up effectively contact tracing of persons who have come into contact with infected persons, test them for the virus, and if necessary, quarantine and isolate them for treatment should they prove to have the virus. In Greater Accra, the following areas will be affected: Accra Metropolis, Tema West Municipality, Lejokuku Municipality, Crowell Municipality, Adentan Municipality, Ashiamai Municipality, La Nkwantanai Medina Municipality, La Dade Kotokmo Municipality, Okakwe North Municipality, Abekuma North Municipality, Abekuma West Municipality, Abekuma Central Municipality, Ayawaso East Municipality, Ayawaso North Municipality, Ayawaso West Municipality, Ayawaso Central Municipality, Ga West Municipality, Ga North Municipality, Ga Central Municipality, Ga South Municipality, Ga East Municipality, Kole Klote Municipality, Wejagbawe Municipality, Bon Katamanso Municipality, and the Awutu Senya East Municipality. In the Greater Kumasi metropolitan area and contiguous districts, the following areas are affected: Kumasi Metropolis, Asokwa Municipality, Swami Municipality, Old Tafo Municipality, Oforikro Municipality, Asokore Mampo Municipality, Kwadaso Municipality, Echiman Webiaja Municipality, Kwabre East Municipality, Edjesu Municipality, Efija Kwabre South District, Bosomchi District, Echima Kwanwoma District, and Echima Webiaja North District. This, in essence, means that everyone resident in these areas must stay at home for the next 2 weeks. However, if you must go out, it must only be to get essential items such as food, medicine, water, undertake banking transactions, or to use public toilet facilities. But as much as possible, stay at home. There shall be during this period no intercity movement of vehicles and aircraft for private or commercial purposes for the areas of the restrictive measures, except for vehicles and aircrafts providing essential services and those carrying cargo. Riders of motorbikes are not allowed to carry any additional person, and all intracity passenger vehicles, such as trotros and taxis, must reduce the number of passengers in order to observe appropriate social distancing and hygiene protocols. Additionally, all commercial vehicle stations shall observe appropriate hygiene protocols and social distancing. The Ministry of Transport has engaged the transport operators and unions in this regard. The Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development has also engaged with the metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies and the leaders of the market associations in the country to make satisfactory arrangements about the operations of the markets that ensure observance of social distancing and enhanced hygiene protocols. In any event, only persons involved in the food value chain can operate in the markets during this period. Individuals and institutions providing the following services shall be exempted from the restrictions: members of the executive, legislature, and the judiciary. Production, distribution, and marketing of food, beverages, pharmaceuticals, medicine, paper, and plastic packages. Environmental and sanitation activities. Staff of VALCO, road and railway construction workers, mining workers, fisherfolk, members of the security agencies assigned lawful duties, staff of electricity, water, telecommunications, e-commerce, and digital service providers, and staff of fuel stations. Fellow Ghanaians, to accelerate the contact tracing process and ensure we curtail the spread of the virus in the shortest time, we will use the military and police to assist health authorities to expedite the process. We'll also pursue a policy of testing all contacts of people tested positive. The affected areas, and indeed all other regions, have earmarked designated isolation and treatment centers for the management of suspected and confirmed cases, as well as the selection of facilities for mandatory quarantine is being carried out. An intensive public health education and community awareness on social distancing and hand washing will be carried out. It is very important that we protect all healthcare providers with personal protective equipment to make sure that they do not contract the virus in the process of protecting our lives. Government has therefore taken delivery of additional PPEs, and more are being procured. Distribution of 17,000 coveralls, 350,000 masks, 17,000 goggles, 2,400 non-contact thermometers, 350,000 gloves, 25,000 sanitizers, and 30,000 test kits are ongoing for healthcare personnel and those undertaking contact tracing and testing. We're recruiting 1,000 community health workers and an additional 1,000 volunteers to help in this endeavor. 100 pickup vehicles and 2,500 tablets have been mobilized for the exercise. Fellow Ghanaians, I'm urging all of you to bear with these additional measures. They are being done in the interest of all of us. They are hopefully only for a short while. These additional measures, together with those earlier announced, are what will help us defeat the virus. And we must be united in our determination and efforts to overcome this challenge. This certainly is not the time for politicking or the display of partisanship. The virus does not care which party you belong to. Neither is it, as we have seen, a respecter of persons. The enemy is the virus and not each other. As I've stated in my earlier broadcasts, all the measures I have announced tonight will be subject to constant review. Fellow Ghanaians, we are in this together, and government will stand by you. We are aware that there will be discomfort and difficulties for all of us over the next couple of weeks. As a responsive government, we will continue to implement bold measures to mitigate the impact of the coronavirus on businesses and households and ensure that job losses are minimized. The Minister for Finance has been directed by me to prepare for approval by Parliament a coronavirus alleviation program to address the disruption in economic activities, the hardship of our people, and to rescue and revitalize our industries. He will then immediately make available a minimum of 1 billion cedis to households and businesses, particularly small and medium-scale enterprises. The commercial banks are, in addition, responding to the Bank of Ghana's 1.5% decrease in the policy rate and 2% in reserve requirement with a 3 billion cedi facility to support industry, especially in the pharmaceutical, hospitality, service and manufacturing sectors. We're providing additional relief, such as extension of the tax filing date from April to June, a 2% reduction of interest rates by banks, effective 1st April 2020, the granting by the banks of a 6-month moratorium of principal repayments to entities in the airline and hospitality industries, i.e. hotels, restaurants, car rentals, food vendors, taxis, and Uber operators. All other sector credit exposures will be reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Mobile money users can send up to 100 cedis for free, and 100% to 300% increase in the daily transaction limits for mobile money transactions. Let me also reiterate that the ban on public gatherings, religious or social, is still in force. Anyone, irrespective of status, religion, or ethnicity, who is found to be flouting them will be dealt with fully in accordance with law. The security services have been clothed with the necessary power to enforce these measures, and I assure responsibly, but without fear or favor, ill will or malice. Fellow Ghanaians, with the Bank of Ghana predicting a worst-case GDP growth rate scenario of 2.5% for 2020, should the virus continue to linger for the rest of the year, the effects on our economy would be dire. However, as we have demonstrated over the course of the last 3 years, where we inherited an economy that was growing at 3.4% and transformed it into one which has grown by an average of 7% over the last 3 years, I assure you that we know what to do to bring back our economy back to life. What we do not know is how to bring people back to life. We will therefore protect people's lives, then their livelihoods. For the next 2 weeks, I urge all of you, especially residents in the affected areas of Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi, to be reminded every day that the front line of the fight against coronavirus is your front door. If you cross it, you and your family will likely be infected. So please, stay at home. It is vitally important that each one of us, in all parts of the country, continue to observe the social distancing and enhanced hygiene protocols, for they are the weapons of our defense against the virus. I'm announcing tonight the establishment of a COVID-19 fund to be managed by an independent board of trustees and chaired by former Chief Justice Sophia Akufo, to receive contributions and donations from the public to assist in the welfare of the needy and the vulnerable. I've directed the Controller General to pay my next 3 months' salary, i.e. April, May, and June, into this fund. Let me also thank, from the bottom of my heart, the churches, financial institutions, and individuals who have already made donations to help in this fight. God richly bless them. We can defeat this virus if we all commit ourselves to respecting all the measures that have been outlined. I'm confident that Ghanaians will comply with them, and the security services will not have to intervene with extraordinary means to enforce them. The love of country is deeply embedded in all of us, and I assure you that the security forces will conduct themselves with the necessary professionalism. Mr. Ramo, in some of my cane, yenina yam bomoding ni ndiso. Yankopon adaroma e beboye. Min panyefai. Sanene ni wie. Nye fe nye boa moding ni yenye no. Ni modromo e ba wa wo fe. We have prayed to Almighty God to heal our land, and I know that by the grace of God, He has heard our cry. Nonetheless, each one of us must do his or her part. May God bless us all and our homeland Ghana, and make her great and strong. I thank you for your attention. Good night.
Thank you to Mr. President. So yeah, President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na wote ne nkano. Me wo fie na o kasari na nyema bi na me trotro. Shadi nti wa wonim no said na wonim dada no. That was on the 30th of March 2020. Yen ra homache donkro. Na homache donkro. And as a restriction no ebemu pepepe. Se Greater Accra and a Greater Kumasi. They say President the Greater Kumasi ho. To Greater Accra, Greater Kumasi. The areas ne districts ne be ebeka ho. And no areas obubo din no ebi ewo Greater Accra ha no Accra Metropolis, Tema Metropolis, Tema West, Bon Katamanso, Krowo, Municipality, Lejokuku, Adenta, Ashaman, Lankwantana, Medina, Ladade, Kotopon, Okakwe North, Ablekuma North, Ablekuma West, Ablekuma Central, Ayowaso East, Ayowaso North, Ayowaso West, Ayowaso Central, Ga North, Ga West, Ga South, Ga Central, Ga East, Kole Klote, Wejagbawe, Ewutu, Senya. So all these municipalities and districts, no lockdown partially. Uba aye Kumasi nswa, Kumasi Metropolis, Asokwa Swami, Otafo Forikrum, Asokori Mampon, Kwada So Atuma Wabija, Kwabri East, Ejuso, Efija Kwabri South, Bosomtwe, Atuma Kwaoma, and Atuma and Wabija North. No, and so nya dia, Ubi abitimi a pie ho. The atosu bi omu se we hwe nema president bo boss no nyina de kire nyina ne se enna makomako edu nanya ewe yanima enne na e hye ase no ye wo sa areas obobo din nyina no yen kafie ye nyina no esese ye kafie de atosu mienu ne se intercity movement of vehicles and aircraft for private or commercial purposes. the president person ochire say Kumase ebankran enkran eko Kumase enkran eko tema ebankran emiamia wabobodi say ye lockdown bia kam free home maha nti mpacho menye wadwen say obeba plane no say ye commercial say ye wa wodio eno so wuntimi ntu enti say wo car menye wadwen say wo kwotema no pay wo tirimu asan say wo tema menye wadwen say wo bankran pacho san menye wadwen say wo Kumase ana Afri Kumase ba san bomodi ana fei esan wachi plane ne car ebetimi akotema Kumase Afri Kumase abaha eye won a wo provide essential service ade a hohia pa ana se cargo yo okuta cargo akọ hwi ni cargo car ne muso a entu de tosu mensa ne se motorbike bia ni ho se ye wa wodio so de yo kado so de ye danyo wontimi mfa nipa ba ko nka ho wonko anatena so afa trotro any taxes no muntie ni ye trotro any taxes no muntie ni ye president say de edikan enipa na wakasa momfa mienu wo trotro bia mu say ye mienu and a taxi any trotro no so no esese more observe all the hygiene protocols ni nyina de ekire ne say esese wo taxi no hand sanitizer wom say bi nima police ni gina wa obetuma mo apake wo car no tiase president say ye observe eno enti so we trotro we taxi a na watu na sese yayi ebi nima ebia wo de wani kire fie police ni hia wo no kasa go ho boko wo hia soja ni no kasa go ho boko ebia wo kopake na wo nteye sese wate enai wonwa mebebo boso yi eye nkrofo a esan se edenya wo beboa yen nti no wono wonka ho de dikan eye asoafo ne wabedi akire the executive arm of government embrashe bedwafo ene ya court judiciary no won de wonka ho wonwa wo ye enuane ahodo companies ahodo a wo ye nuane wonwa eche sa nuane no ena fe wonwa wo wono adodo bebre akese a wo hwene nkrofa ba fefiri won ho akọ beverages pharmaceuticals won mo ye nduro ene wonwa wo ton nduro won wo ton paper any plastic packages in there won ka ho won wo to asobio mu no eye won wo ma hodidie ba won mo prapra esiesie krom se de be ya efin endokoro yen Valco adwayefo road and railway workers eti one my year join Ministry of Roads they are there any railways for nyina ne de won ka ho da won sankrofo no so no nyese won mo ye adwuma won mo ye construction no won mo ye se de be ye adwuma ne be koso ntem no road railway construction workers no pe enyese wo ye construction ko wo si dan ya mason tena fie ye chiwa ye be guawo ye tosu bi omi ye mining workers ye janom apofo won wo ye po en won a wo kopo wo ko yinam was abre yen ma yawen en won ka ho de tosu bi om eye asrafo ne abambofo ahodo a bebo ye ho ban a ya hye won se won ye se adwuma we members of the security agencies assigned lawful duties. Sametini yedi asana president kaye. It's ebi obetimi kura ye post ni ebi ana ye ma lawful duty bia. Oko he. Minia akra oko liver che unhula no. Na watu boss na what na fi why Ghana enti na nkofa ha bia mfamre o when we hear adwuma wo electricity staff of electricity water telecommunication meje baby na mekasa kasafidi and afi digital service providers ina no wonka ho and afi fuel station staff and ka ho na the president kan ni say ma mo nko ho bebre enti say bia wo pumps be 4 mo nko ho bebre no e say o ti ase say mienu na se say ko cause cars ankasa no so e wo krom ye to so biomo a ye president kan ni say corona no o prona no wo bie o door na o gate na no wo fa na ba krom enti kafie na wan kofa no amfa mba krom o kyerem se wabie fund bi eye sika bi antobo a ye nyina ye bejeje se de be ya titiri won a enni bie no ye betimi di aboa won na saa foto no mame Gloria Kufu ena beda no na okabiom se ono ankasa omampani eye ne bosuma ketua bosuma makoma miensa April May and June wa share controller and accountant general say ontua saa ne sika no emfanto saa fund ni match de wade wie dada o ye na 30 faduru enti April May and June president say ne bosuma miensa aketua no yentua nto saa foto nim mejidi se enche no ho hyehye beba se de be ya yenyina ye beboa me twen se beba na ye de bia kotum wo hwe nipa efre ne ade na tun se nipa hia moa nipa nua so ne nipa anopai so for wusu ansa de o kana me de pa where is your brother na yenyina no yetime aboa na won hia aduane kakra hia nkwan kakra enso enya bi edi afei osaka biom se mo send mobile money no wo send 100 Ghana per dia eni kwan se woje hu ensi hu bia na ya amoje no eno aya omo friend say wo send sika de omoje to so no your friend say interest wo say bibi na wo send 100 Ghana so omoje say 1 cedi president say if free 1 cedi kosi 100 Ghana e free wo ya mo bia menjinsi hu na e free 100 Ghana e kodo ena obetimi age bibi esi hu oto aso biom no se wonwa yade eye won no e wo mem ha sese ya no time o kasana na ye 137 sa nipa 137 no ohanchemu eduokono enso 97% wonyina wodi free obi ma so ena wode yade no ede bre yen eno ntino ena sa hihye etimi aba ti se na wo hwemu dia na chese wo baa ne kura no be nipa mienu bi no mo de asan wo meme ma asenye etino wo hwe de 3% of a 137 I so abayam nipa bayam ensa na se nan wo baa no de be san wo no mo ha yade a yenya nyina wo krom ha nyina no eye de nkrofo edi free nipa man so ede bre yen nipa mienu atiapo we de enye confirmed enra na jo so na aye se pa che se obaba konso ono so watiapo we are waiting say ye be confirm we enye confirmed but they atina me catch no entino nipa mienu from the president's speech and I won watiapo president Saka biom say One aka na ye hwe wo no so de bebre hu odin enche ye be discharge wo mo na mom de oben say ye be san test wo mbium ye test wo mbium na che say aboa no eni wo ho a na che say ye ja kwan president say wo mu undergo wo mu receive treatment na che say ye hwe wo ayare hwe wo ho magie di say edro wo ho president ebia no kase de receiving treatment na de na che say se be buru se be nya ado biribi wo ho ye di treat aduane kura ye dro enso eye dro biribi wo ho a ye di a treat eno echi no ka biom say ye na ye momoden na yendi so to avert the security forces not to step in with okay Adam say ha aso ano ho hwe ye say ye na ye ni hihye no so na ya masra afo no kwan embusebusa wasem engwao president don't mean can pain sa but said oka kwa no sa no person kire wo say bomodia na din hihye no so na wan koye masra afo na bambafo antengu so wo hwa aman ahodo so wan waso odin no ye discipline wo mu ahanso wo ya ye be gwao catro plane entenye gogo agwanya nkwa na wumu ade wo ye rofa ye be gwao heavy entino omodin na to ho ase na ye na ye ndin hihye no so na ye nyina no ye ho intime entoyen okay. All right then. Prof.
Kabitu.
Bibi aboko de.
What ya CBI kama.
Ja, answer ho ye. Now obana kwam ye boko.
Oh, ade na kwam ye boko.
Edem.
Ai, muda opa problem bi eni ho.
Yan ye side ho ne ba no wo. Eden kwa friend say. They free ama sama ba ya be fem wo. Tantre nim ho ne ade be farmer 7 overhead on na as a kayabo ape so menim se de te.
Oh, okay. O me ba mi dem ba na kom da.
O free say na ba o.
Me fi industrial area. Me ba na no police, no soldier, no hwe. Agbo se bia nipa na enam ba se bia enum ni nsia mo kwaja na abom. Ave no side.
Omo kwaja na abom.
Ai, say ono public toilet ni mo.
Yeah, mo bo.
Ano pa du sana. Omo kwaja na ne bom. Ba se nipa ba se enum ni nsia. Omo kwaja omo na. Omo hu me no me yem hye kakra. As na ka bia nya me twem ye.
Sa o ka bia nya me
twem. Me ruru me glass ne ba dam so we boy na.
Obucha no mabo hu kakra.
Fama semanya sebe. Tie mu da ba amado very nice.
Very nice.
Amado very nice. Stay home, you know.
Just stay home. I mean, just stay home.
One more chest sanitizer.
Last
champion because zero room say we are not. Zero room say we are not kabiani.
Say Rosa. Hey, yes.